Wheels are straight. You see that? Check it out. I think we're off a notch or two. Alright, let's get this shaft completed. That's our goal for today. Bring it down toward us, and there it is. There you go. Look at that. Got the AC on too, so that might help cool things down, right? Now we gotta make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't move. There we go. That part's done. So now we gotta get that pivot bolt tightened up. Really tough place to get your ratchet in there, but it is necessary to have this tightened up. Kind of calms in. So tilt works. Tilt does work. So here it is, our handy dandy ratchet wrench. And now let's see if we can't get this off. You have to bend yourself in ways that you weren't born to. So before we get too nuts with the pry bar, I'm going to try with the screwdriver first. Do some wall wishing. Oh, look at that. She comes right out. Alright. So now what we want to do is want to make sure that we're adjusting it accordingly. Don't want the ignition to lock on us while rotating it. Let's pull the shaft off. Now let's rotate the wheel, straighten it out. The wheel is straight. Let's see if we can't lock it in. There, it's locked in. Let me tell you, with the sun beating down on your back while you're twisted. It has like a pretzel in the car. It's not too comfortable. So before we go any further with that shaft, we need to go a little more center, and let's try that. There. Let's see where we're at now. The trick is to try and keep it nearby so that when I'm lining it up, it'll just click into the next slot. That's what I want. Now that's straight. Finally. Now the steering wheel is straight. It's so ridiculous. I pull it beside a car, how the steering wheel half cocked to the right. Let's get this bolt back in. Bent wrist like brittle. Okay, I don't think that's going anywhere. We're good. So as the saying goes, no use crying over spilt milk. Just clean it up before it gets sour.